This is just a quick tutorial about adding UV resin to your polymer clay earrings. First of all, you're going to want to make sure that you wear gloves and a respirator that filters organic gases. So it's really common when applying UV resin that when it is curing, it will dome a little bit and pull away from the edges of your pieces, and that can be pretty frustrating. To prevent that, you can apply resin to the edges first. I like to use a little paintbrush, cure that, and then fill in the center and apply resin over the edges again. This will really stop the resin from pulling away from the edges because you have only applied it to the edges first and cured that, and there's nowhere for it to pull away. So you can see that I'm just slowly and carefully using a tiny paintbrush to add resin to the very edges of this design, and I go a little bit over the edge and down the side just a little bit to make sure that the resin is gripping the edges really well. Once I finish that, I fully cure the resin on the edges, and I'll bring it back and do a second coat to fill in the center. When I'm doing the second coat, I usually just apply the resin right from the bottle to the polymer clay piece so that I'm just really flooding the piece. You want to get a lot of resin on there because you want it to have that really nice thick domed appearance once it cures. Here you can see I'm just using that same paintbrush to move the resin around, make sure the whole piece is covered, including bringing the resin again all the way over that already cured resin, all the way to the edge. When you apply the second coat of resin and you put it over the resin that you have already applied and cured, you cannot see that there is a second coat. It will be seamless. Right before I cure the second time, I will usually add just a little bit more to totally flood the piece and make sure that the resin coat is nice and thick. I don't show it here, but I will always run a lighter over the surface of the resin to remove any bubbles before curing. Here they are, all finished. You can see that the resin coat looks nice and even. You can't see that there was a first layer that I put down right around the edges. So let me know if you have any other questions about using resin, UV resin on polymer clay, and I'll try to answer your questions.